everyone, we are in day 2 at Kochi. Day 1 was really very nice. We came back from airport and then we came to the hotel, and from there we went to Chinese fishing net. It was really awesome. We went there at sunset and I saw a very big ship there. And how it was, today I have my mom with me and she'll tell you how the experience was. Good morning mommy.
Good morning beta.
কালকে তোমার দিন কেমন ছিল আর কোচিতে এসে কেমন লাগছে?
এই সকাল থেকেই খুব এক্সাইটেড ছিলাম যে এখানে আসবো, ছেলেমেয়ের সাথে দেখা হবে। তো ওখানে এসে ওখান থেকে খড়গপুর থেকে আমরা এসেছি, ওখান থেকে এসে দমদমে এয়ারপোর্টে এসে কোচি এয়ারপোর্টে সবসময় অপেক্ষা করছিলাম যে কখন ওদের সাথে কখন নামবো, কখন ওদের সাথে দেখা করবো। সব থেকে বেশি এই নিয়েই ছিলাম, আমি খুব চিন্তায় ছিলাম যে কখন ওদের সাথে দেখা করবো। তো নেমে এসে দেখা পেতে প্রথমে মেয়ের দেখা পেলাম, ওকে জড়িয়ে ধরলাম, প্রচন্ড ভালো লাগলো। কোচি শহরটা এমনিতেই খুবই ভালো, যতটুকু আমি কালকে দেখেছি আমার খুবই ভালো লেগেছে। বিকেল বেলার দিকে ছেলে মেয়ে হাজব্যান্ডের সাথে একটু বেড়াতেও গেছিলাম। ওখানে ওই ফিশিং নেট বলে আছে একটা জায়গায়, তো ব্যাক ওয়াটারের মধ্যে, ওটাও খুব ভালো লেগেছে। তো এইসবই দেখলাম, একটুখানি কফি স্টলে গিয়ে একটু কফি খেলাম সন্ধ্যাবেলাটা খুব ভালোই কেটেছিল। তারপরে ফিরে এলাম। তো আজকে ভাবছি গতকালে
এখানে ক্লাইমেট কেমন লাগছে? ঠান্ডা গরম?
এখানে ক্লাইমেট লগভগ ইয়ের মতনই, খড়গপুরের মতনই, আমাদের বেঙ্গলের মতনই। তার থেকে হয়তো একটু টেম্পারেচার বেশি হবে, এর থেকে কিছু নয়। তো এমনি ঠিকই লাগছে। রাত্রেবেলা ঘুমও ভালোই হয়েছিল। তো আজকে আমরা ভাবছি এখান থেকে মুন্নার যাবো, তার প্রিপারেশন চলছে সকাল থেকে।
আর তুমি তোমার ভিউয়ার্সদেরকে বলবে এখানে আসার জন্য, রেকমেন্ড করবে?
হ্যাঁ অবশ্যই বলবো, আমার জায়গাটা খুব ভালো লেগেছে এবং খুব ভালোই এনজয় করেছি কালকে পুরো দিনটাই। ওদের সাথে ছেলেমেয়ের সাথে থাকলে আমার আর কোনো চিন্তা থাকে না, তো ওদেরকে নিয়ে খুব ভালোই লেগেছে আমার কালকের দিনটা।
So we have started our journey towards Munnar. We will probably reach there by 2 p.m. It will take hardly 3 to 4 hours. So while going to Munnar, we will get to see 2 waterfalls. I don't know they are having some waters in it or not. So next video we will see on our trip to Munnar. So let's go.
We started our 4 hours of long journey to Munnar by 10 a.m. We were really excited to cherish beautiful moments in Munnar. We stopped for lunch at 2 p.m. by the outskirts of Munnar, and Munnar was 30 kilometers away from here. After our lunch was over, we found out that there are multiple sightseeing from here. So before proceeding to Munnar, we thought to explore more of it. It started with off-roading, which was quite scary and full of adventure. Thanks to Mahindra Thar for the smooth ride of those bumpy roads.
Right now we are on our way to Munnar and we have taken one sightseeing program from one of the places. So currently we are in one of the private owned tea gardens. It's a bit small, but you can see the scenic beauty of this place. Yeah, and we will be covering some waterfalls, a famous sunset point and one hanging bridge. So for the rest of the video, stay tuned.
Look at those beautiful green bed of tea plants, mesmerizing and soothing to eyes. Our next visit was beautiful Ripple waterfall. To reach to the foot of waterfall was a bit challenging as we had to walk through slow flowing water and rocks. Next was Hanging Bridge. Hanging Bridge is one of a kind that attracts numerous tourists on a daily basis. Then we reached the most beautiful and mesmerizing sunset point. The sun sets along the hills and paints the sky with unimaginable colors.
I finally reached Munnar after so much of struggle, and the day was quite well, and you must have seen in the videos where and all I went. My favorite was the Ripple waterfall because I had my fall also. I slipped my leg and I fell down, and see, I have got this. It is swollen and it is little paining, but it is fine. The amount of fun that we had there, it worth it. Then we went to, as you will be seeing there, and we went for a safari ride. We went to very bad roads over there, and it was very little scary over there also, but I could see the vast spices that are cultivated here in Kerala. So we have got few of them handy with us. So as you can see, this is cardamom, and this is very fresh and raw cardamom. It tastes awesome. I had one of these and they are awesome. Then I collected few of coffee beans. These are coffee beans. Basically, there is a seed inside it of white color. You have to get that seed out, roast it and ground it. You will get that fine coffee. Can you guess what it is? I also couldn't guess by seeing it, but it is actually cocoa. From this, it seems there is a seed inside. We have to get it, dry it out, and then you will get the cocoa powder that we eat chocolate with. Nice, great. I have never seen this. And this is eucalyptus, and I never thought that it will smell so nicely if you tear it out and just rub it. It smells of Vicks. It really is. I was so amazed by seeing so much of different spices, different flora. It was beautiful and it worth this fall. So it was amazing. That's all for today. As you see, I am already tired. I need rest. I have to sleep now, and we'll see you tomorrow.